Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your device supports custom icons and choosing the method, shortcuts on iOS or a launcher on Android. Next, collect high-quality icon files, ideally 192 x 192 to 512 x 512 PNG or SVG, with transparent backgrounds so they scale cleanly. Once done, back up your home layout or take screenshots so you can restore positions. Make sure to name icons clearly to match apps. This reduces confusion when mapping icons. Now you create and map the icons. If designing, export square files with consistent padding. A design tool or icon pack saves time. For iOS, build a shortcut that opens the target app, tap the share icon, choose Add to Home Screen, then select your image as the glyph. Name it accurately. For Android, long press the app, choose Edit or use a shortcut maker, then pick your custom image. While doing this, test each shortcut immediately to ensure it launches the correct app. Finish by organizing icons into folders and repositioning widgets to match your new look. Restore original icons where necessary. If an icon reverts or opens the wrong app, first check that the image file stays accessible and the shortcut points to the right package or URL scheme. Clear the launcher cache and restart the device. If problems persist, reinstall the launcher or shortcut app. Then reapply your backup icon pack and mapping list so you can recover quickly without repeating every step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.